My name is Adrian Sandoval. I'm from Joliet, Illinois. I'm at the point in my life where I'm looking for a new challenge.
I had no IT background, and now I think I am a successful cloud engineer that is improving herself every single day. This is one of the parts that I love in this field because you have to learn new stuff every day, and it keeps you motivated.
I love my job, I love my team. I'm surrounded by the really interesting and smart people who are always ready to help me and support me.
My name is Polina. I'm working currently as a site reliability engineer for international software as a service company.
I am working as a site reliability engineer for a CDP company, which is a customer data platform.
When I finish it, my life become more flexible. I start spending more time with my family, enjoying my life. So that's an incredible journey, and I highly recommend you guys join the bootcamp and change your life. I've been in trucking and management for over 16 years, and I've come to a point that I'm looking for a new challenge.
If you are to plan a career in DevOps field or IT in general, just definitely check the website, Udemy and YouTube channels and make your decision.